yesterday that we're going to revisit today are secure, thoroughly, and indignantly. Just to remind ourselves, the word secure is referring to two different meanings: to fasten or tie firmly, or safe and protected. The word thoroughly, that has that ly ending, means in a thorough way or completely. And then the last word, indignantly, again has that ly ending, which means in an indignant way, and we learned that indignant means a way that shows that you are angry because you feel insulted or unfairly treated. So would you be indignant if you had to do chores that your brother or sister did not have to do? Why or why not? You can use this sentence frame right here to complete your thought. Right. I'm not sure about you, but when I look at this picture, this young lady looks pretty indignant that she's having to do chores that someone else is not. She's pretty angry. I can tell by her facial expression and the steam coming out of her head. Let's look at another example. If your mother told you to wash your hands thoroughly, what would you do? You can use this sentence frame to complete your thought. Let's take a look at the last example. Would you feel secure sleeping in a tent in your backyard? Why or why not? So I said that was the last example, but I forgot. Secure is a multiple meaning word, so let's look at it in this context. How would you secure your dog if he kept running away? Excellent. So we know that in this example it's referring to tie firmly in place. And in this example, it's referring to that definition, which means safe and protected. Would you feel secure or safe and protected sleeping in a tent in your backyard? Excellent job. So we're going to play this game, what might you say or what might you do? So I'm going to give you a scenario and I want you to think about it. Your father asks you to wash his car thoroughly. What might you do to wash the car thoroughly? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Let's look at the next example. You have been practicing and are a much improved soccer player. Even so, the coach will not let you play. You are indignant. What might you say to the coach to let her know that you are indignant? Again, if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. All right, let's look at the last example. You are lost in a huge department store and do not feel secure. What might you say or do to feel secure? Excellent work. That wraps up day 2. See you back tomorrow for day 3.